Pitch determines whether a sound is low or high. Behold the enchanting piano. Each key represents a musical note with a unique pitch. The notes are arranged from left to right, starting with the lowest note on the far left and soaring to the highest note on the far right. If we play every note from left to right, we'll experience a pitch-perfect journey. The notes will gradually rise in pitch, creating a mesmerizing musical climb. And guess what? Guitars have their own magical pitch structure too. On a guitar, the lowest pitch is on the thickest string, also known as string 6 or the E string. As you pick towards the thinnest string, string 1, the pitch gradually gets higher and higher. Now get ready for the big reveal of the magical musical password. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Too easy. The notes on the piano are named after the first 7 letters of the alphabet. This is like a secret code that unlocks the musical door to countless melodies. But wait, there's a twist. After A, the adventure doesn't end. It circles right back to A. It's a never-ending musical carousel. Going from one note to another, for example, C to C, is known as an octave. These videos will explain in more detail exactly how octaves work.